Not all soils are created equal. Some collapse, some suffocate, and some just sit there doing nothing. Used for decades by bonsai growers, this natural volcanic clay shapes and supports healthy root systems. But did you know that its uses and benefits now go far beyond tradition? In terrariums, it forms part of a breathable soil layer, mixed with coco coir and peat moss for structure and moisture balance for delicate ecosystems. For succulents, a 1-to-1 blend with succulent soil helps keep moisture levels in check while preventing rot and promoting healthy root growth. In aquascaping, it's used to anchor plants, hold nutrients, and keep water clear and stable, providing ideal growing conditions for aquatic plants. When it comes to propagation, it strikes the perfect balance between gentle water retention and excellent airflow, encouraging fast, healthy roots development. Clean, pH neutral, and long-lasting, Akadama is one of the most reliable components in any serious grower's toolkit. For growth that lasts, choose Akadama from Bark Unlimited Organic.